Hi guys, Rich Vicini, your YouTube vlog creator here. Today I want to go over this thing I came across from other YouTubers, and I thought I'd share it with the people who subscribe to my channel, follow me. The title is, Can Invalid Traffic Affect Your Earnings? And this is straight from YouTube. So I had this program, a lot of you guys probably heard about it. It's called Read Aloud. If you have the time, you could just listen to it. I don't know how long this video is going to be. But you should definitely check it out, especially if you're a YouTuber, or if you're a seasoned YouTuber like myself that's been on here for years, or if you're just starting out. You may want to listen to this information. Okay, it's very important, and I think it'll be very helpful to you guys. So I wouldn't just dismiss it and watch a minute or two. It can only help you out. Can't hinder you. It can only help. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to minimize my screen over here. And there I am, and there's a program that comes with Windows 10. It's called Read Aloud. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mute my mic, and there's quite a bit here. You can see over here it says invalid traffic on your videos and how traffic can impact your earnings. So I'm going to let it read, and I'm going to go over my notes. I take a little water break here. I am going to need coffee though. It's going on 9 p.m. over here on the East Coast of New York, so I think I'm going to be due for that 9 o'clock coffee. But anyway, guys, let's get started to it. I'm going to mute my mic and play it, and I hope you guys could stick around and get a takeaway from it. It can only help you. Okay, so please check it out. All right, let me mute my mic and we'll go. We'll take it from there.
Invalid traffic on your videos. Invalid traffic is any activity on your channel that doesn't come from a real user or a user with genuine interest. It can include fraudulent, artificial, or even unintentional ways to boost ad revenue for videos, among others. Examples of invalid traffic on videos include automated or incentivized traffic from third parties, including traffic boosting services and others claiming to be legitimate ad networks, among others. Friends or contacts letting playlists of your videos run all day long, resulting in a boost in ad traffic due to ads playing on those videos. Announcing to your viewers that they should watch or click through ads on certain videos to boost ad traffic, resulting in boosted ad revenue. Our systems analyze traffic to your videos to determine whether it's valid or invalid, regardless of where or how the traffic originated. It's important that we quickly address invalid traffic to keep the platform working for creators, advertisers, and viewers. By continuing to protect our advertising systems against invalid traffic, advertisers can continue to be confident investing in the platform, which helps creators monetize the great content they produce. Sometimes, creators may find that their channels are affected by invalid traffic, even if they're not intentionally driving it. This means that there are times when creators may not be aware that activity they've received is the result of invalid traffic. While we work hard to try to prevent it, some types of invalid traffic can only be detected by our systems after it happens. As a result, adjustments are made to views and earnings in YouTube Analytics and AdSense. When you see these adjustments, it means that our invalid traffic defenses are working to protect the platform, even if you didn't necessarily generate or drive that traffic. For more info on invalid traffic, check out the YouTube Community Help Forum. How invalid traffic impacts your earnings. If invalid traffic occurs on your channel, you might see drops in views and earnings. You may see adjustments in YouTube Analytics to remove views, and therefore earnings, associated with invalid traffic. Fewer ads on your channel may temporarily limit ad serving until our systems determine the risk of invalid traffic is reduced, which may impact revenue even while views remain consistent. Adjustments in your AdSense account. If we detect associated earnings from invalid traffic after your payment has been calculated or paid, the amount is offset from your current or future AdSense balance. Delays in payments may be delayed up to 90 days to allow sufficient time to investigate traffic and associated earnings on your channel. Earnings may be withheld, adjusted, or offset if they are determined to be invalid. Learn more about how invalid traffic can affect your estimated earnings in YouTube Analytics. When invalid traffic is detected, advertisers aren't charged, or are refunded where appropriate and possible. Your AdSense earnings will be debited before disbursement to remove earnings from invalid traffic. Any debits for invalid traffic will appear as a separate line item on the payments page in AdSense. In cases where significant activity on a channel is found to be invalid, the associated AdSense account may be suspended or permanently disabled. Creators will have the option to appeal when their AdSense account is disabled. Tips to prevent invalid traffic. If invalid traffic occurs on your channel, check these tips for common ways to help you prevent it. Avoid partnering with untrusted parties for video creation and building your channel. For example, it's best to avoid services that claim to increase your views, likes, or subscriptions. Even when third parties say they drive real traffic to your channel, it may be artificial, resulting in invalid traffic. Don't click ads on your videos, even if you think it might be okay to do so. Our systems recognize when creators click the ads on their own videos. If this behavior happens consistently over time, your account may be disabled to protect both advertisers and the creator ecosystem. Never encourage anyone to click your ads to help you earn more, even if it's for a good or charitable cause. Learn more tips on preventing invalid traffic in the AdSense Help Center.
Okay, there you have it, folks. This is coming from YouTube, or I should say Google. I'm going to drop the link below. I hope you guys will check it out. Especially, it's good for the new YouTubers out there, okay? You might want to, take heed to what they're saying here if you want to protect your channel and do the right thing. And remember what I always tell you guys out there, especially this goes out to the new YouTubers. When it comes to creating a channel and creating videos, remember, keep it, the 5 things I always tell you guys: keep it real, keep it original, let your channel grow organically, don't forget the good thumbnails and titles. Just those 5 things should be a good start to get your YouTube channel up and running, okay? Folks, I can't say this enough. I mean, I've been on this platform since 2013, was it 10 years now? And I follow a lot of YouTube creators out there, and I know a lot of people will talk about, how to get a 50 subscribers, 100, 1,000, whatever. The bottom line is, this is not rocket science. Those 5 basic things I just told you, I don't need to write a book about, okay? It's simple enough to do it. You're going to learn through trial and error. That's how I learned. When I first started off on my YouTube channel, I registered back in 2013. I had no clue what it was going to be. And lo and behold, when eBay came out, because I'm an eBay seller, I've been with them for 24 years on that platform to the present day, still selling. I said, they came out with the thing there where you could embed a video with your listing. So I said, hey, what a great way to break into YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. I could start off doing demo videos, sneak peek videos, intro videos, and then later on, I ended up I started parlaying into what do you call it there? I'm on a brain freeze over here. That's why I said I need coffee. Reseller news and Let's Talk eBay. And then I added vlogger to, doing vlogging to my YouTube channel. So, like I said, folks, it's all there, for the taking. As I said it before, I don't have a book to say, I don't have a dream to say. The only thing I could offer you guys is free information. And I hope you guys will get a takeaway. That is the most important thing. And if you follow me on this YouTube channel and you like the content, hopefully you like me as a creator, please don't, forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. I'm going to sign off for now. I'll talk to you guys later. And I wish you guys all the best of luck. If you are a new YouTuber out there or a person thinking of starting a YouTube channel, I'm wishing you all the best of luck, the best of success. Go out there, create those videos. Don't listen to the naysayers that you can't be done, it won't happen. It will. If it's working for me, it's going to work for you guys. So Go out there and share those videos and your talents and passions with the rest of the world. They will want to see it. I know I would. Talk to you the next time. Bye-bye for now.